So I have a problem with weeding. I can't bend down on my knees anymore to do it. So I bought the original Grandpa's weeder, which is on this big long pole here. And we're going to see how this works. I'm very excited about this. Okay, so this is the part that you just put over the weed. I'm going to step on this, and then you pull backwards towards the little lever, and that'll pinch it and squeeze out the weed. So put it right over the center of the weed. Step down. Then you bend it this way, and there you have it. The whole weed is taken out, and I didn't have to bend over and hurt my back doing it.